Today we are going to look at a tidal stream generator, and I'm going to explain to you how it works, and we're going to look at some of the main components. We can see it's sitting on a tripod style arrangement. These 3 feet are there to minimize vibration and give the generator a firm base upon which it can sit. We can see it's rotating. The reason it's rotating is because water is coming, let me just zoom in here. Water is coming from the left side of the screen, passing over the airfoil to the right side of the screen. As it does this movement, what we refer to as kinetic energy, is going to be imparted on the blades, and we're going to get a resultant force, and we refer to this as lift. Now inside we've got a flat circular thin disc, and this is connected to a brake. Now the brake is there to hold the turbine in position when people are working on it, for example, or performing maintenance. In order to extract the most amount of energy as possible from the water as it passes over the blades, we're going to change what they call the angle of attack. Now the angle of attack means that we can change the position of the blades. We're actually going to pivot them on their axes so that they slice into the water at a different angle.